Егор делает слизь.
We'll do a whole like
Keep going. All right, now. Okay, put that back here. I got that.
Ставь баночку на место.
Okay, now you're gonna take the yellow vial.
I'm from Well, we always are.
Take the water, fill it up to the line.
New Jersey. One of our members is from Pennsylvania. Most of us are like from either Long Island or New York, upstate New York.
Now take the scooper. Take a scoop of that.
That one was, I think, crafted by I think one of the different crafters, like Carnivorous Creations.
All right, good.
My pack,
now,
like, I don't have my pack now.
Screw it on.
I bought a bunch of the parts and the useful stuff.
Двумя ручками, помогай. Возьми вторую ручку. Вот так.
Put the pack together. We're actually doing a pack creation day.
Now you're gonna shake for 15 seconds. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, down. Okay. Now take the plastic baggie and you're gonna pour the contents of each vial into that bag, one after the other.
Молодец, только держи хорошенько, не урони.
Okay. That's good. All right. Now that one.
Сделал настоящего лизуна, да?
Okay. And when you're done, you're going to just put it in the little container and take it home.